This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hartley. Under construction, open concept floor plan with 10 ceilings throughout main living area. Numerous windows which offer natural lighting. Gourmet kitchen with LG granite countertop island for entertaining. Walk-in pantry. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout main living areas, halls and half bath. Tile flooring in MB and amp, bath 2. Master suite boasts 9-10 ceilings, dual vanities, walk-in closet and amp, oversized tile shower west/dual shower heads. Landscaped and amp, irrigated front yard. Completion date late summer. Finished photos are from a similar model. See feature boards to view the color selections for this home. For more information, review the details below.